Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to turn off typing indicator on Instagram. Let's go. The typing indicator is the little dots that show when someone is writing a reply to you in direct messages. Sometimes you may not want others to see when you are typing. This can help keep your conversations less stressful. First of all, open up the Instagram app. Then tap on the messenger icon at the top right corner. Now that you're in your DMs, scroll through the list and select the conversation for which you want to turn off the typing indicator with the conversation. Tap on their name at the top left corner to access additional settings related to this specific conversation. After tapping on the name, a new menu will appear with various options related to this chat. Look for privacy and safety within these options, and tap on it to proceed. In this section, you'll see various privacy settings available for this conversation. Look for option regarding the typing indicator to turn off this feature. Simply toggle off the switch next to it. Once it's turned off, this person will no longer be able to see when you're actively typing in this particular chat. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.